Now, this is where you can find the iPad's IP address. Let's get into it. If you are new to this channel, make sure you are part of Foxtecc by hitting the subscribe button, and you can never miss anything important in the future. So, in order to find your IP address, just locate the settings app of your iPad, and of course, find the Wi-Fi section. It is somewhere closer to the top. And when you get to your Wi-Fi, ensure it's obviously turned on. And also you need to be connected to a specific Wi-Fi network to access it. So connect, and once you are connected, you'll be able to see a little check mark icon next to it. And right there, next to the Wi-Fi, like network, we have a little information icon. So a little eye in the circle, which is in fact clickable, and you can get there for more things to appear. And there you can find your IP address and like the password and all of the other security related features and like information regarding that specific Wi-Fi network. So yeah, these are all the things that you need to know about it. It's really not that difficult, but you need to know the right place where you can see it. So let me know what you think about that below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.